Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. First of all, I want to say thank you to my new subscribers, those that just started following this channel. I want to say thank you all, and also keep following this channel because this channel is going to be a lot more fun time to come. I promise you that. So just keep following so you get to see the fun part of this channel. This video is just all about how to make your pen drawing look good, like skin, because I've been getting so many requests on how to make the skin parts, especially the skin, look realistic with pen. So I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to teach you other things too, like how your light and how the texture goes from the mid tone to the highlights and so on. So this video is just an intro to that video. That video is going to be a very long video. I'm still working on the video. I'm still working on it, trying to make it look good for you all, so that you get to understand the video. Next Saturday, I'm going to release the video next Saturday. The video will be uploaded next Saturday. Do come back to check and watch that video. Watch every bit of the video, because if you skip the video or fast forward, you are going to miss something. So just watch the video to the end. It's going to be at least, let me say, maybe more than 20 minutes thereabout. So just calm down and watch the video bit by bit so you understand everything. Alright guys, see you next Saturday.